નમસ્તે, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી.
Good morning students, how are you all? So you all know that India is a country of many different religions and festivals. So in India you can find many different types of religious peoples living in our country, and all of them celebrate different types of festivals. So for example, Holi. Holi is the festival of everyone, not only Hindus, but each and every religious people celebrate Holi. So in India we can see all the people celebrating all the festivals. Okay, so in this chapter it is given about one festival, that is Uttarayan, and that is coming in our that is coming in few days also, right? So in this chapter we will see about the Uttarayan and also a midday meal that is given by the government in the government school. Clear? So now let us start our chapter number 19. Let's eat together. So first is the class party. The school reopened today after the vacation. The children talked about how they had fun their holidays. Meena, why did you put mehndi on your palms? Aarti, because of my uncle's wedding. Meena, oh, you might have had a lot of fun there. Aarti, yes, I enjoyed a lot. Eating together also. Rehana, shall we also eat together in the class? Devi, wow, it will be fun. Let's do that. So after this vacation, when the school reopened, all the children met their friends and they were talking about what fun activities they have done in the vacation. So Meena told Aarti that why you have put mehndi on your palms. So Aarti said that because of her uncle's wedding. So that's why she has put on mehndi. So Meena said that you might have enjoyed a lot in the wedding. So Aarti said that yes, I enjoyed each and everything, but along with eating together also. So in the marriage, you know that all the friends and relatives, they gather in the house, then they all dances and sings and eat together also. They all have a lots of fun. So Rehana, while hearing this, that they enjoyed eating together, so Rehana said that shall we eat together in our class also? So David said yes, that it is a very good idea and it will be very fun. So now all have decided to arrange a party in the class. Each one started telling what would they bring from their home. On Saturday they all brought the things and enjoyed the party. A variety of dishes were there. All played, sang and danced together. So after this they have decided to make a party at the school. And on which day? On Saturday they have decided to party. So first of all everybody started saying that what they will bring. So different students brought different types of things or food items, and Saturday they made a party and also they all played, then sang songs and danced together. In short, they have a lots of fun while doing this party. So next is, do you like to eat with others? So do you all like to eat together? Yes, it is a very good feeling to eat with others. It will be very boring to eat alone. Okay. अकेले अकेले खाना कितना बोरिंग लगता है ना, राइट? On what occasion do you eat together with your friends? So in many festivals also, then any celebration in your friend's house, at that time also you can eat together with your friend, right? Then in the birthday party, then have you ever had a party in your class? When? How did you celebrate? So what did you and your friends bring to the party? What did you all eat? Whom all did you invite for your party, and who did not attend the party and why? So these questions are related to party. So if you have made any party in your class, then you have to write these answers, that when you have made party, what you have brought, what all the food items you have eaten, and who are the persons or the children that have not attended the party. So these questions are related to the party at your class. So now the next topic is celebrating Uttarayan. So our next topic is celebrating Uttarayan. You all know the other name of Uttarayan, that is, yes, Makar Sankranti, which comes on 14th of January. Okay, in 2 or 3 days it will be Uttarayan. So in Uttarayan you all know what do the people do. So people love to fly the kites. So here let us see how the different types of people, how they use Uttarayan. Pinky woke up early in the morning. She ran to call her friends Sejal, Ayush, Tanveer, Fatima and Iqbal to their houses. Today is Uttarayan. Everyone was so happy. So this girl Pinky, she woke up very early in the morning and went to call her friends. So here the name of friends are also given. So she went to their houses to call them. See, we like to celebrate all the festival with our friends. We don't like to be alone in the festival. So everybody was very happy today. Why? Because today is Uttarayan. So they have done special preparation to celebrate Uttarayan. How will they celebrate Uttarayan? Let us see. So everybody makes different types of preparation. So how they have made preparation, we will see now. They woke up early. Their elder brother tied the kite bridle, or you can say kinna, and kept them ready on the previous day. Pinky's grandmother has made Til's laddu and groundnuts chikki. So everybody woke up very early in the morning and the elder brother tied the kinna जो आप पतंग में लगाते हो ना, जिसके साथ आप धागा अटैच करते हो. So they have to prepare all these things in the previous day, so that on Uttarayan they can only fly kite, don't waste their time. So and the Pinky's grandmother has made Til's laddu and groundnut chikki. So Sejal has brought laddu of puffed rice. Puffed rice means kurmure. Then Tanveer has brought boar from his garden, and Ayush mother also gave fresh boar. Pinky's mother is preparing undhiyu. Do you know which ingredients are required to prepare undhiyu? See, Pinky's mother is going to make undhiyu for everyone. So undhiyu is a very healthy dish. It is made by many green vegetables. So now let us see which ingredients are needed to make a undhiyu. So cluster beans means gawar. Then runner beans means valur, and brinjal, potato and tomatoes also. Then spices, which type of spices they are using in the undhiyu? That is spices like capsicum, coriander and ginger are also required. Without sweet potato, elephant and yum. There is no taste in undhiyu. So without a sweet potato, then elephant food and yum, there will be no taste in the undhiyu. So these are the main ingredients of this dish. Mother added vada of fenugreek leaves too. Iqbal was surprised to see all these. So you all know that undhiyu is the speciality of Gujarat, or you can say special dish of Gujarat. So when Pinky's mother made this undhiyu, Iqbal was very surprised to see all these things. So her mother has added many green vegetables, and also she has added many spices and the vada of fenugreek. So in short, it is a very healthy dish. Grandmother was making hot jalebi. All have started eating. So her grandmother was making hot jalebi and everybody started eating the food. Now everyone went to the terrace to fly kites. Some flew fly kites and some held firki in their hand. So after that everybody went on the terrace to fly the kites. So each and every person cannot fly a kite, right? Someone has to hold the firki. So some of the people or children are flying the kites and some are holding the firki in their hand. Everybody cheered, "A kite ko, a gayo," and also sang songs throughout the day. All were in sunlight. They enjoyed a lot. So all of them enjoyed flying the kites. So whenever you also fly, somebody might cut your kite, right? So when anybody cut another person's kite, then they will shout loudly that "A kite ko che gayo," and they will sing loudly with joy because they have cut someone's kite, so that they are very happy. They feels like they have achieved something, right? So that's why they are very happy and they are shouting and singing the song also. So whole day they were in the sunlight and enjoying the Uttarayan. So this is the way how everybody enjoy Uttarayan. It is a very joyful day for everyone because they will get many good snacks, then they will eat many sweet dishes, then very tasty foods also. Okay, in short, everybody enjoys this Uttarayan festival. So this is all in our part 1. We will continue our chapter in the part 2.
Thank you for joining us.